MacBook Pro won't power on. Let's run quick troubleshooting. Step 1. Check the power adapter and cable. Make sure the plug is fully seated and the cable isn't frayed. Inspect the MagSafe or USB-C port for debris, bent pins, or damage. Clean gently with a soft brush. Look for signs of power, charger LEDs, keyboard backlight, fan noise, or the Apple logo when plugged in. Try a different outlet and a known good adapter or cable to rule out charger issues. If there's still no power, we'll try system resets next, SMC and NVREM or PRAM. Reset the SMC on Intel Macs. Shut down, hold Shift Control Option and the power button for 10 seconds, then press power to restart. On Apple Silicon Macs, shut down, wait 10 seconds, then press the power button to restart instead of SMC steps. Reset NVREM or PRAM. Restart and immediately hold Option Command PR for about 20 seconds, then release and let it boot. Try Safe Boot. Restart and hold Shift until the login window appears. This runs diagnostics and disables startup items. While restarting, watch for fan noise, the Apple logo, or any lights. These are signs of power in progress. If the Mac still won't power on, back up files if possible, then contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for service.